Right, we'll go through the charging process. So we just take the battery box as it is. We'll go through the 4-cell one. The 6-cell is exactly the same, but just with an extra 2 cells. So we'll make sure we put the balance plug in, make sure the holes for the plug on the top, plug them into the side with the charger. Oh, wrong one. There we go. 4-cell one. This adapter is my own, so you don't get that with the charger, but you can get an adapter like that in any computer shop or mobile phone shop. Get one for a few quid. Just make sure that it's got a good range of voltage. I've got mine set about 16 to 17 volts, and it simply just plugs into the side of the charger. So we switch on once we connect up the adapter. That's a XT60 onto a XT90, which are on the batteries. Plug that in to the 4-cell. Just make sure everything's okay. Switch on, charger. It comes on, the fan will come on as well if it needs any cooling. At the moment it's reading lithium poly. If you want to change the battery type, just click type and then plus. It gets through life, lithium ion, HP, nickel metal hydride, NiCad, lead, battery meter if you want it, battery resistance, system setting, memory. We want it in lithium poly battery, so if we're happy with that, press enter. Now this charger can charge at 6 amps, but I normally charge it around about 4 amps. That keeps everything nice and steady, and it doesn't take too long at that. But you can charge it to 6 amps if you want to. So then we'll move the status up. That shows you it's 3-cell. We don't want that. That's a fast charge, storage, lithium poly discharge, balance, but we want just a charge. So we just enter that. You'll see the amps will be flashing. So we'll just simply plus that on to 4 amps. We're happy with that, press enter. Then the voltage, the number of cells comes up. Now we want 4, so press 4. It's okay with that, yeah, that's fine. So everything's set up, 4 amps, 4 cells. If you were using the 6-cell one, you'd have 6S in that one, and again 4 amps. So everything happy, press start. The charger goes through the check. If everything's okay, it gives you the prompt, you're happy. Start. There we go. That's it starting to charge, and all your info comes up on the screen. If you want to check each cell as it's charging, you just press that one. It comes up with all the cells. That's the 4 cells there. Usually it ends up at 4.19, 4.20 when it's fully charged. If you go this way, that tells you the end voltage, 16.8 volts. It'll finish at that. It also tells you the power going into from your adapter, temperature cutoff, safety timer on, capacity. Go this way again, it tells you the fuel, which is how much it charges in your battery. So 81% just now, and the cell's 4 volts. So that will just go back to the normal display. So we can leave that charging away, and it'll automatically play a wee tune when it's finished, and then you just disconnect everything. That's it, ready to go.